wind at 40 miles per hour. We've had our share of the wind chill today. We've got 32 in Smithfield, Providence at 34 right now, lower 30s all across southern New England. And let's talk about what is going to be happening here. We've got periods of snow, sleet today. Sunshine returns tomorrow morning briefly, and then again on Wednesday morning. We'll obviously have clouds building back in tomorrow afternoon, maybe a sprinkle, and then Wednesday afternoon there'll be the next system coming in, which will give us the rain on Thursday. That possibly may end as a mix on Friday, so we'll be watching that for you. And let's look at the winter precipitation type. So snow starts in the cloud, hits the warm air above 32 and melts as rain. And then here's what we had today. We didn't have freezing rain, but the snow hits a small layer of freezing temperatures, less than 32 near the ground, and you get that freezing rain, that ice. But here's what we had, the sleet, which was the cold air producing the snow above in the cloud. It melts a little bit, and then the layer of cold air near the ground is thick enough where it kind of freezes into those ice pellets. So we had some sleet, and then of course snow. It just stays cold all the way down in that column of air, all the way down to the ground. So this is another look at it. If you looking at the warm wedge of air as it's melting the snow as it comes down to the ground. So that's kind of a depiction of what happened today. It's that sleet mixing in with the snow. So there was that little warm wedge of air above that melted the snow just enough before it refroze into those sleet pellets. And we have more of this mixed precipitation coming in from the north and east. There's nothing happening here now, but you look off to the north towards Boston, and everything is sliding down from the north and east, and that next system is going to be sliding in here. Otherwise, we've got this weak system out over the plains, Midwest. That's going to weaken. We're not going to see that coming in here. It might just give us a sprinkle tomorrow evening. But for the most part, we're looking at this big storm out over Bermuda now, just east of Bermuda. That's continuing to influence our weather with this northerly flow of wind. As it pushes away, we'll get maybe one or two more bursts of these mixed showers today. And then we'll get some partial clearing late night tonight as high pressure builds in. So here's Tuesday morning at 9 o'clock. Little wedge of sunshine before this next system to the west throws in some clouds and perhaps a sprinkle later tomorrow in the evening hours. But really, that's not too much to worry about. Our next storm is coming out of the Rockies and will enter the plains. And that one on Wednesday at noontime is still out in Kansas and Oklahoma. That's going to head our way for Thursday. So tonight, 30 degrees, partial clearing late with a northwesterly wind. Tomorrow, we're in the mid-40s. We've got some sun in the morning, clouds in the afternoon, maybe an evening sprinkle, but it's really not a lot. West wind at 10 miles per hour, so the wind lightens up too tomorrow. Wednesday, same deal. We've got some sun in the morning, and then the clouds building in with that in advance of that next storm system that will be bringing us the rain on Thursday. So that's a wet day, 42 degrees. Friday, showers, and it may end as some mixed showers as the storm begins to depart. Saturday is seasonal with sun and clouds, and then Sunday comes in as rain, but it may end as snow. We'll have that Monday on the 7-day forecast tomorrow. I won't deal with